And now we have also improved the manage conversions page, because there are cases when you don't get all the conversions from the affiliate network. Maybe the postback URL wasn't configured from the beginning and you got some conversions before the postback URL was set in the affiliate network. In this case, you can still mark the conversions inside the tracker using the manage conversions page. And we have improved this page to make it more user-friendly. For that, you will go to Stats, Manage Conversions. And what we have here, we have the options to specify the sub-IDs. These are the unique link IDs for each visitor that you send to the affiliate network. You will be able to get a report with the converting sub-IDs from the affiliate network. Those will look like these codes from here. And you can get, for example, let's take the sub-ID from my latest test. I will add it here. Let's say that I have a revenue of 22.55. You can add more sub-IDs at the same time. Here you have the option to add new rows. And there's also option to pass that conversion to the traffic source. For example, if I have a missed conversion, but I still want to pass it to the traffic source, you'll just select this checkbox. It will be forwarded to the traffic source after it's marked inside CPV Lab. Save it from here. And now if I refresh the visitor stats page, you'll see that the conversion was tracked here. And for the revenue, let's make the revenue column visible. For the revenue, I have 22.55, exactly like I added in the page. Again, this is useful when you are missing some conversions because of an incorrect postback URL configuration.